Right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, because right after this chart analysis I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add to your watch list, as well as the home run of the day. Every single day I brief on ticker symbols to watch over at the Discord. If that's something that interests you, the Discord link is down below. We're 130 plus members already, and we look forward to having you join us, all looking to maximize profits, minimize losses, and learn and grow together. So if that's something that interests you, the link to the Discord is down below. Slots are filling up pretty quickly. So here we are with SENS, Sensionix Holdings Inc., and it had a run today. What a day for Sensionix, building up traction. I stated it in yesterday's video. If this was a healthy pullback, it was actually going to take off again and not show weakness and continue going lower, and it needed to stay above $2, and we certainly are seeing strength here. It's at 223, and the 50-day moving average is 216, so we want to stay above that, certainly. Now, one of the lowest points in the day was down here at 206, but since it's such a broad stretch, I would use this point right here at 217 to go ahead and show some strength above the 50-day moving average of 216. So everything's pretty close here, right? Off by 1 cent, give or take. So we want to watch this very, very closely within this area to see what's going on and if the bears are gaining traction. So if you want to go a little step further and not go all the way down here to 206, you can use 212 as another point of reference to see if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up. Now we're currently sitting at 223. And for the bulls to continue this momentum and continue pushing forward, you definitely want it to break through this resistance here of 228, turn it into a support to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video, because it helps out the YouTube channel and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Now stay tuned on in. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 minutes of your time. We're going to talk about the home run of the day and the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So the ticker symbol I want you guys to add to your watch list today is a lot slower when it moves, but it's a ticker symbol that if inflation really is on its way, it's going to perform pretty well, or at least not get hit as hard as the overall market for many different reasons. So stay tuned for that. We're going to talk about it in just a moment. I talked about it 2 weeks ago over at the Patreon. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day that gave us 15 to 25% at its high. And it gave us quick, within minutes, 10 to 15% as the bell opened, guys. So let's go ahead and look at this one. It's ADMA. And I mentioned it early in the morning. We mentioned also AKTX. This one gave us about 5% at its best moment. But ADMA, we talked about it when it was sitting at 224. It had received FDA approval and it was going to get investors' attention or not. That's what we were looking for. And we literally caught it on the dip after this run, guys. And as it was pulling downwards, it hit 224, kind of consolidated before it took off, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of the community, we're 130 plus members already, you're more than welcome to join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. And we're all a community collectively of investors looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So this stock, as the bell was coming, it was already running and it took off. So just in a matter of minutes since I mentioned it, all the way towards that peak right here, that right there gave us 10% plus, pulled back right to 237. If you had a stop loss and you caught it anywhere below, you know, where the market opened or around close to when I mentioned it, or consolidation, and your stop loss did not execute, you can keep on riding it to see what's going on, watching it closely. And it took off to a high here of 263, giving a return of 20 to 25% from when I mentioned it, guys. So opportunities like these, we try to aim for every single day. We usually look for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a good day, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. This was another home run today, and you could see these are stocks that we get in, we get out, we ride the momentum, and go ahead and maximize profits and minimize losses. Once again, if you're interested, we look forward to having you join us. Now, the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is GOLD, Barrick Gold Corporation, guys. And in inflationary pressures, this type of stock tends to do well. It's actually pulling back right now. And if we want to really pay close attention, what we want to look for is consolidation or an extra pullback for some weakness before the next rebound. And if inflationary pressures do come to risen or start rising for real as expected for the next coming weeks and months, this type of stock tends to do well because it's in correlation, obviously, to gold, right? And not only that, but just minerals and precious metals overall. So this company has a pretty good balance sheet and they're a pretty good company overall, but the stock has been falling for some time, and its recent low was $18 back in March, and $21 is just $3 above it. It is a slow mover, but this type of stock, like I said, if inflation does come, tends to do pretty well, or at least hold itself up and not get hit as hard as the other stocks. Now, that's not guaranteed, and I'm not saying that that's exactly how it's going to play out, but it's definitely a stock to watch. And anyways, overall, based off of analysis ratings, the fundamentals, and the company as a whole, the opportunity is there to the upside, especially if you do your research. But this is just one of those stocks you want to have close. And if you're not in it, at least you want to be watching it. So when inflation does start to hit, you're going to see the correlation indirectly or directly happening with this ticker symbol. And you'll understand better then what to probably do as an investor, making your own rational decisions based off of your due diligence. But definitely add this one, keep it on your watch list. And even if you don't even decide to take a position in it, which you don't have to, you can keep it close and use it as an indicator of where inflation is going and where the stock market is going and where this stock is going, guys. I'm not saying you can use it like an index. There's a lot of better other research tools, but it is one of those that it's good to have there just to watch what's going on. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.